welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to learn about a passive voice. Passive voice is actually one of the most useful grammar in English learning. Before we begin, let me to introduce what is actually a passive voice. So in English, we have two ways to say things. First, we have an active voice where we focus on who is doing the action. For example, Tom ate the cake. We know that Tom did it. We know that the cake was eaten by Tom, like that. But in passive voice, we focus more on what happened, not who did it, like who did the action, like that. Instead of saying the cake was eaten, we don't know or don't care like who ate that cake. The important thing is the cake itself. We moved to the formula of passive voice. So the passive voice always follows this pattern. First is object plus to be and then plus verb 3. For example, the window is broken. So the window is being the object, and then is being to be, and then broken is being the verb 3. We move to the second example. The songs are sung. So the songs is being the object, and then are is being the to be, and then song is the verb 3. Why in this example using are instead of using is? Because the songs is not a singular, it's like more than one, because there is s in the end of the song. So that's why we use are instead of is, because are is represent the more than one thing, like that. And then, but which to be should we actually use? So it depends on the tense itself. So the first is like present simple. We use to be, are, so we use to be like is, are, and am. For the past simple, we use was or were. And then for the future simple, we use will be. And then for the present perfect, we use has or have been. And we also use modal verbs like can or must to represent the passive voice. One important thing is that verb 3 is always stays the same. No matter what tense that you use, it's always the same. So that's all about our today's materials. So thank you guys. Hope it giving an insight to you. Thank you.